Crane is a very vast field. So we have solutions from masala manufacturers to missile manufacturers. See, we have given cranes to a spectrum of industries, right from construction equipment to wind energy to automotive to FMCG, white goods and infrastructure industries. Hello, I am UdayaKumar, Managing Director of K2 Cranes. Today we are very happy to say that K2 Cranes is the only supplier for National High Speed Rail Corporation. We have supplied 20 cranes to all the bullet train stations from Vapi, Surat, Anand, Bharuch and Vadodara. We have also recently supplied crane for an aerospace company. We have also supplied to BrahMos for the missile manufacturing facility. Then for all construction equipment companies from Caterpillar to Kobelco, Putmeister, Sani, and windmill, we have solutions from windmill tower to nacelle to blade to hub, and also to castings. We have supplied to SC Forge in Coimbatore for 120 ton and 150 ton. In short, I can say that K2 Cranes is the only company where almost all the spectrum of industries we have supplied cranes. And recently K2 Cranes is working on a new project which will be first in India to manufacture cranes, gantry cranes for hatch covers which are deployed in bulk carriers. So K2 Cranes has a facility, world-class facility in Chennai, and we are also coming up with a new ultra-modern world-class crane manufacturing facility to cater to all these demanding needs of material handling and lifting heavy equipments and also complex situation. And also we have also got our cranes with all the intelligent features with AI cameras and spotlights. Then also we have this inclinometers and also IoTs which are in very demand for our customers.